In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method on Shopify. If you've ever needed to stop accepting payments through a specific provider, or you're simply cleaning up old options you no longer use, knowing how to properly remove a payment method is essential. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Shopify admin. First, go ahead and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, turn your attention to the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a menu item labeled Settings. Click on that to open your main store settings. Inside the settings page, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where Shopify groups all the different configuration areas for your store. Find the option labeled Payments and click it. This is where all your payment-related settings are managed. On the Payments page, you'll see sections like Payment Providers and possibly supported payment methods, depending on which region and options you're using. These sections list all the payment methods that are currently connected and available at checkout. Take a moment to identify the specific payment method you want to remove, such as a payment gateway you no longer use or a method you're replacing with another provider. Once you've found the payment method you want to remove, click on it to open its detailed settings. This will bring you to a page or panel dedicated to that particular payment provider. Here you can usually see configuration details, any connection status, and various options related to that payment method. Now, look toward the lower left area within this payment method settings. You should see a button labeled Deactivate. This is the option that will remove this payment method from your checkout. Click the Deactivate button. When you do this, a pop-up window will appear. This confirmation pop-up explains what will happen when you deactivate the payment method. Typically, it will let you know that customers will no longer be able to select this option at checkout, and it may mention other relevant details depending on the provider. Read this information carefully to make sure you're ready to proceed. If you're sure you want to remove it, click the Deactivate button again at the bottom right of the pop-up. After a moment, the payment method will be deactivated and will no longer appear as an option for your customers at checkout. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a payment method from your Shopify store.